Cabin's clean, '09 GT. Wheels look really nice on it. My mama right here. Welcome back to the channel. Earlier went over to AutoZone, as you guys saw, picked up filter for Lil Red, and I had to go over to Riley's pick up another filter because they didn't have it in stock at any AutoZones until tomorrow. I also picked up some fuel filters. You saw in the last vlog, I grabbed some oil. It is Sunday night. Hector right here. Got a little bit of chicken on the pit and waiting to throw on some burgers as we get ready to enjoy a little bit of Texans football. Rocking that red tee because, you know, it's Battle Red Day. We got a pretty tough match tonight as we take on the Lions. It'll be a rough one, but hopefully we can get that dub. You guys see this, we will be a little closer to the LMR meet. We're gonna enjoy the night and we'll see y'all tomorrow. What a game last night. Close one, heartbreaker, but that was definitely pass interference. I'm taking the little one to school. Here, picking up the battery from the mach. Alright, been running around all day. It is my day off. Got the battery over to Interstate. They said the battery checked out good. They're gonna go ahead and charge it up fully. Warming the truck up real quick, gonna pull it out. Do oil change on this one. And oil change on the Harley. And you see that tent back there? I've had this tent since 05, 06. I'm gonna try to get in sometime this week and go get a new tent around because it needs it. It's 2024 and we have a ceramic tent now. That's what we're gonna throw on this one. And next will be fuel filters for the Harley and Little Red. So let me check out. Never mind, I'm not gonna pull it out. Just backed it up a little bit because the sun is beaming out there, as you guys can see. Just gonna go ahead and change the oil right here on the floor. Jack it up a little bit. Get started on that. Harley is all drained over there, ready for filter and fluids. The whipple lighting up next. Betty, get her fresh change. And this is what I run, guys. Mobile One 5W30 with a Motorcraft fuel filter. And there's the part number for y'all that need it, FL820S. And as far as the fuel filter, it's gonna be FG1114 if you're using a stock filter. That is the combo that I like to run in all of these, including the Coyote, Mobile One fluid, and a Motorcraft fuel filter. Gets the job done, has for many, many years. Everybody has their preferences, and that is mine. Let's go get this fresh fluids in here and get on to Betty. on to Lil Red. Guys, be sure to always use chocks if you have them, or emergency brake and jack stands when you're working on vehicles, just for safety. Me, I'd rather be safe than sorry. I have kids and a family that I want to be around for a long time to be able to share a lot of moments with them. But I'm not gonna video that. I'm gonna go ahead and change out that fuel filter on that one, and maybe the Harley today, or I'll get around to it tomorrow. But yeah, I'm probably gonna get fuel dumped on me, and there's plenty of how-tos and write-ups online, so I'm gonna knock that out. I'm gonna record that, and I'll get back to you guys later on. Alright, we got both fuel filters knocked out on Lil Red as well as Whitney. That was her first fuel filter change that I'm aware of. The reason we did Lil Red is because she is on E85, and it's recommended to do a fuel filter change with every oil change, at least. So went ahead and did that. As far as everything else goes on the trucks, neither front end alignment on Whitney. Like I mentioned earlier, we're gonna go do the tint tomorrow on Betty. And if you guys haven't figured it out yet, we will be taking all 3 trucks, the 2 Lightnings and the Harley. I believe my buddy Hector's gonna drive the Harley. But it has been fun throwing this video together. We really look forward to seeing you all this weekend. If you do see us, don't hesitate to say what's up, right Jay?
Yeah.
Come on over, say what's up, introduce yourself. And like I said, we are really excited to see all the builds out there this year. All the Lightnings, all the Cobras, all the Mustangs, Fox Bodies, you name it. We're just excited to see all the builds, as well as meet some of you guys in person. But that is all I have for this vlog. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, turn on those notifications so you know when we drop new videos. And until next time, guys, we will see you. We are out.
Peace.